Whirlpool Corporation is one of the latest victims in a never-ending ransomware spree. This time, it is the Nefilim Ransomware gang that is behind the successfully stolen and encryption of company data. Whirlpool is not a small company either. They employ roughly 77,000 people across 59 manufacturing, technology, and research centers worldwide and boast a revenue of approximately $20 billion USD. While the official ransom amount isn't known, Nefilim is using the tried and true tactic of leaking portions of stolen data on their own leak site to, quote-unquote, encourage their victims to pay for the ransom. It appears that the gigabytes of data that were stolen include employee benefits, accommodation requests, medical information, background checks, and more. Now, Whirlpool announced that there was no operational impact and their systems are fully restored. This either means the company has already paid the ransom or they're restoring from backup. Given that no further leaks of data have been announced, it is most likely that Whirlpool paid the ransom. Nefilim has been very active close towards the end of the year and throughout the year of 2020, and they have targets that included Orange SA, Dussmann Group, Luxottica, and Toll Group. As the list grows, there is no apparent end in sight for companies being attacked by ransomware gangs like Nefilim. And 2020 was a banner year for ransomware, and 2021 will most likely break previous year records for money lost and damage done. At the end of the day, though, ransomware follows specific behaviors, and Acronis Cyber Protect's leading heuristic engine detects not only Nefilim gangs ransomware, but all others as well.